Checking out this weather station I just bought from Newentor, and this is a indoor-outdoor weather station. They got some instructions here and a thank you. That's nice. We've got the power cord for the weather station itself. Now this doesn't actually pull weather. This reports the weather from the remote units. So we would open this up. It's got some kickstands. You can put in some backup batteries so that it never loses the clock and the alarms. But then over here we can either plug in USB or DC, and we'll just plug it in here and plug this into the wall. Once it's plugged in, it's going to report the weather from the sensor itself, and then we've got the remote sensor. Now this set comes with 2 remote sensors, so we can put batteries in these, set these out. Each of these sensors has an option for 1, 2, or 3. So we'll put the 2 AA batteries. I like to use rechargeables, and then we'll set either zone 1, 2, or 3. And then with the panel here, we can quickly go through the different sensors. So now we can test the weather in maybe the shade, or maybe back in the backyard, in the front yard, or 2 different places. And these are wireless sensors. Real easy to use, and looking forward to getting the weather in real time from around our property. Hope this helps.